What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and check this out. This is my 2005 Chevy Silverado Single cab, as you guys can see. We got the headlights turned on, and we got a sunroof. Check that out. With the black rooftop or whatever it's called. Just gotta change these, and that to black, this one to black. But overall, it's pretty nice. And then to go more back. Alright, just want to check that out. Nice. So someone did this to me. It's over here in Anaheim. You guys can check them out. They're called OC Auto Style. They did a pretty nice job. I really like it. But other than that, today I found a bumper, which is the bumper SS. So I'm gonna change the bumper. I'm gonna go get it right now, which is primer white, so it's better because my car's white. My truck is white. So we're gonna go to LA. Well, kind of LA. Yeah. So let's get to it. What's up, guys? So I'm doing a voiceover because it was too loud and you guys couldn't. There was too much noise in the background. So, anyways, that's the bumper SS, and I got these G20 LED lights. Also, I picked them up. It's a four-sided LED strip. So they told me it shoots better lighting, but who knows? I'm just gonna check them out. It's a easy plug and play, so no other stuff you guys gotta do. But that's pretty much it. So that's it. I'm taking off the plastic cover of the metal bumper, which only has like 4 or 3 bolts, I believe. I forgot, but it's simple. You just take it off and that's pretty much it. On the plastic cover on the top, it has clips. You can't tell on the video, but it has clips. I just yanked it out. That was simple, not much big deal. So here I installed the bumper. It came out nice. I cracked the bumper, which was the sad part. My camera stopped recording. I got mad at the bumper I cracked, and I ended the video. But here's a picture of how it looks, and hopefully you guys like it. Enjoy and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.